can we just appreciate it's Taurus season, baby? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Y'all know how I'm feeling because if you read the title, it's my birthday, y'all. Yes. Boom! Body by Kara. It is also her birthday. Happy birthday. But let's get into this week. Gonna be telling y'all about this beauty, this new drop sent over by Outre. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. And this wig that I have right here, I think she's definitely birthday slay attire. This is a newer wig and I think y'all want to know how I feel. And I gotta update y'all. I gotta update y'all on posting life, so stay tuned to the end. You don't want to miss that, and you also want to stay tuned to the end because it's my birthday and I got a surprise for y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all how I put this wig on. I hope you like what you see. Consider hitting that subscribe button. I do a lot of wig content on this channel. I do some skincare and I do some makeup, so definitely consider sticking around because I would love for you to join the fam. Before we get started, give this video a thumbs up from me and let's go ahead and jump into it.
Seconds later.
You do something, and you see the dip? The dip is the red stuff. See, I colored it.
Oh, okay.
You like it?
Hold on. Stop the music. Had to stop the music real quick. Hey, y'all. I'm about to continue with this install, but can we just appreciate it's Taurus season, baby? Where all my Tauruses at? All right. I just had to show y'all my shirt real quick because I had this shirt since like 2 years ago, but I wanted to wear it for my birthday. And also, can we please appreciate the skin? Don't y'all worry. I do skincare on this channel too. So we got a video coming up. Anyway, put the music back on. are back. What's up, y'all? Happy birthday to me. Hey, Kira. Happy birthday, girl. 420 Taurus gang gang. So let's go ahead and jump into this wig. I'm gonna talk to y'all in the end because I know I haven't recorded in a while. But let's talk about the wig for the people that's here for the wig. So today I am reviewing this birthday sleigh attire wig sent over by Outre. So this is one of the newest drops from Outre from the Perfect Hairline collection in Miss Freya, and I have the color DRST Maple Brown. This is the color right here on the stock card. So yeah, let me go ahead and give you some specs. So if you're not familiar with Outre's Perfect Hairline, have no fear, I'm here to tell you about it. So this is a synthetic wig. This is from the Perfect Hairline collection. What that means is that you're going to get a hairline effect. This is a 13x6 hand-tied lace wig. So yes, you're going to get lace all the way around, okay? You can part this wig any way you like. I don't want to part her too much because we got her nice and secure. So the lace is going to come all the way like about right here. This wig does come with an adjustable band in the back. I did go ahead and use that. Normally I use a wig grip, guys, but today I was like, let me go ahead and use the band and see how she feels. She feels okay. The sides of this wig does have like a natural contour, which I like for a more realistic effect. It says that it's pre-plucked and it comes with baby hair. So let's go ahead and talk about her. She's so pretty. Isn't she birthday ready? She is so cute. I didn't think I would like this wig. I know it's my birthday, but I'm happy with how I feel about this wig. So if you are familiar with Outre's Perfect Hairline wigs, you do have to go in and match up the lace. The lace to me used to feel like it was a little bit too light, but honestly, I'm happy with that lace. I've mentioned it before. Outre sets us up with a canvas. That way you can darken the wig the way you like. If the lace was too dark, you can lighten it. So I like the fact that it's lighter and you can darken it or match it to your complexion as you like. And after you add your powder and you match it, it's gonna be fine. So as you guys saw in the install, if you didn't fast forward that part, I'll be showing y'all how to put these wigs on. You just gotta watch it. So what I did is I went in with my hot comb. Shout out to Body by Kira, who I did learn that from her. I did initially see her doing that like years ago, and I was like, this is genius. So I did go in with my hot comb and I brushed those baby hairs back. The reason I did that is because I wanted to open up the hairline and see it, and then I went in and I plucked it. So even though this is a pre-plucked hairline, I did feel like you kinda gotta put that work in. And you know, we birthday over here, so I wanted to give that extra boom. And I plucked it, and I think she looks really, really good, y'all. Like, she is giving hair, like, look at that hairline. Can we take a minute to appreciate that hairline? That is hairline effect. I did go on with a little slight baby hairs. Also learned that from Kira. Oh, learned a lot from her, okay? And I just went in real subtly with the baby hairs. Nothing, not too much, but just real subtle, just to kind of not make it look so boxy. The hairline's okay, but I just feel like, you know, it kind of gives it a little bit more pizzazz when you go in with subtle, light, wispy baby hairs. I went in with my right side part. I like right side parts. And that's what I did on this wig. I went in with some powder in the parting space. If you guys notice, I do not go in with lace tint spray or makeup underneath my lace for installs anymore. I do like to go in with these Perfect Hairlines without any makeup on, and I say that because once you start adding the adhesive and all that, to me it gets cakey and I don't like all that residue on my lace, so I like to go in with powder after. And I'm also going to be keeping this wig on for a while. Normally I take them off after my reviews, but I did go in with this black Ebin New York Wonder Bond lace adhesive spray. I normally go in with my bedhead spray, and this lasts pretty good all day. This is a really amazing hold, but I feel like this can hold up like a day or two after as well. And if you watch my recent video on my top 9 lace adhesive sprays, check it out right here. I kind of get more into detail of the sprays that I use and why. But because this is birthday and we going out and I want her to last, and I might even sleep in this wig
tomorrow.
Hey guys, so I'm editing the video and I realized I told y'all I probably would sleep in this wig, and I did. Okay, I slept in this wig. I wanted to show y'all how the Ebin spray is still holding up. Look, if I didn't have to take this wig off right now, like, look, If I didn't have to take this wig off right now, I wouldn't, but I do because I got some stuff to do. Yeah, it's still holding up, and like I said, I slept in it. I actually did wash this wig, but not with regular shampoo and conditioner. So I did use the Brandywine shampoo and conditioner. So it's like still nice. It's still flowing. I still recommend this wig. I'm going to take it off, but I think this wig is going to hold up, y'all. I think I'm really feeling this wig. Okay, let me take it off. Back to the video. I went in with the Ebin New York Wonder Bond spray, and she ain't going nowhere, y'all. She is secure. She is secure. You see that? You see that? So I didn't mention in that top lace adhesive spray video why I didn't make this my top one. I know a lot of y'all asking, like, if it's that good, why wasn't your top? For me personally, I like to selectively use this only because I do skincare on this channel, and I'm very serious about my skin and breaking out. And I just got over like not breaking out so much, but the Ebin New York, the red can, used to break me out. It used to break me out so bad that I was scared to use the black can. That's it. That's it. I told the truth. I told y'all why I don't like to use it so much. And it used to break out my forehead a lot. And I was like, I can't be having no breakouts. I'm just real selective with using that. But I'm noticing with this black can, I'm not really breaking out like that. Like, I think I had like 1 or 2 little pimples, but for the most part, it's not breaking me out like the red can. Okay, so next, as far as the style goes, this style is beautiful. This is kind of reminding me of Motron Tress Outre. If you guys remember that wig, check that wig, that review out right here. I know this is Outre, but it's giving me the same vibes. I'm loving the fact that I have a wig that I didn't have to curl, y'all. Like, look at these beautiful wand curls. And it's also nice and layered, y'all. Like, do you see the layers in here? Like, look at these layers. There's so many layers in here. Like, Outre listens. So there's layers in here. The curls are beautiful. And then let's talk about the color, because that's why y'all here. Well, you may not be here for the color, but this color is a new color. So, y'all know how I do. I had to tell y'all how I feel about the new color. I never really seen this maple brown before, but this color is gorgeous. This is a really pretty brown, chocolatey color, melanin color. I'm so dramatic. It's a nice cocoa brown. You know what I'm saying, for all my melanin sisters. It's a really beautiful color. And the color is like a nice subtle number 2, and it fades into kind of like a 4, and then you get this auburn. So it's a nice subtle, and then you get these highlights of kind of like a little bit of copper in here. It's just a nice, beautiful color. So I'm really feeling this color, y'all. As far as the length goes, it says it's 22 inches on the stock card. This is what she's looking like right here. It's a nice length, even though it's 22 inches. I guess if you pull it down, it'll be longer, but it kind of feels more like, I don't want to say everyday length, but it's a nice length. In the back, this is what she's looking like. Okay, so this length feels pretty good. I think 22 inches, this is a good length. It's a good length. It's not too long. It's not too short. It's a good length. And then if she starts fraying up on you, you know, you could chop her up. As far as the texture goes, guys, this wig feels like a human hair wig. I feel like I have a human hair dupe on my head. It is not a human hair wig. It is synthetic, but it feels really good. I did have to go in with some wig spray and serum. I think at this point, y'all should just know with synthetic wigs that that's what you're going to have to go in with. Keep that in mind, that that's how you got to go in with your wig and your YT comb and comb her out. She is tangling a little bit on me. She's not yucky at all. She's actually like, she's a nice texture. She's not too silky, like cheap wig silky. She's a nice high-tech fiber texture, and it feels really good. It's like that Outre light, yucky. Outre, didn't I tell y'all to put it on the stock card which textures we working with? I'm acting like I was on the phone with Outre and I told him what I want. No, but it would be nice if we kind of get a guide of like which texture we're getting before we get the wig. I think on the websites sometimes it does say, but it's not too silky, it's not yucky at all, and it's a nice texture. It's a nice texture. Keep your brush in hand. You know, you are gonna have to definitely brush her out, but it's not unbearable, y'all. Like it really is. I feel like this wig is gonna hold up for a while. You can part her in the middle, you can part her on the side. Like, I don't want to do too much because I have her set, and with synthetic wigs sometimes you just need to set it and leave it alone. But I like her. This is a wig that I actually would consider going back and getting again. I said it. I would actually consider, I think I want this in a natural color. I'm not even gonna sell this wig. This wig is that pretty. I mean, let me know how y'all feel about this. Would you wear it for your birthday or, you know, any other day? Do you think she's a good slave? Ooh, 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 did we just drop some bars? Would you wear it any other day? Do you think she's a good slave for the birthday? Okay, I'm too old for that. Anyway, that's how I feel about this wig. And let's go ahead and give some updates, okay? If you guys are following me on my Instagram, I haven't been posting and I got a new ring, y'all. I just had my 10-year anniversary and my husband gave me a new ring. So I'm gonna be like one of them girls that's just doing this all the time, you know? Y'all make sure y'all follow me on my Instagram. That reel is so cute. Follow me on my Instagram so you can see what I'm talking about. My anniversary ring upgrade. I do have a lot more content coming for you guys, and make sure you're subscribed because tomorrow I actually have another video back to back coming, so y'all go and stay tuned. I got some new skincare coming up for y'all. I think we're doing this right now. We're doing this back recording again thing, and I'm trying, y'all. I'm really trying. It's been a little rough. If y'all following me, you know some unfortunate things have happened. When I see me just rambling like this and the time is ticking, I think about that one comment that I had where the girl told me I talk too much, but I like to talk to my subscribers. It is what it is. I don't talk too much. Some of y'all want to know. If you don't want to know, click the timestamp, okay? And click out. I do have a lot more content coming for you guys. I got some skincare. I got some wigs coming up. Yeah, it's going to be good. I think I'm getting out of this funk. If you guys don't know, I did have some unfortunate tragedies happen in my family, and I did lose some people. So it put me in a dark space, and it's not one memorial service I had to go to. It was two. So I was grieving and then I was grieving again. So that's why I haven't been posting, but I feel back in a routine now. So I'm excited to see you guys. And last thing, if you guys made it this far, I'm excited. It's not much, but it's a giveaway, y'all. I mean, y'all been riding with me. Y'all been rocking with me. Y'all been doing this thing with Miss Khrissy. I know this is not a big channel, but I really do appreciate y'all. So for my birthday, we doing a cash app. Cha-ching! It's only 2 cash apps, $50. Make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Anything you want to see on the channel, or just talk to me, engage. We like engagement around here. Make sure you're following me on my Instagram. This giveaway is gonna end next Wednesday, and I'll announce the winners on Thursday. If I missed anything, it's the first day recording, y'all, so y'all definitely ask me in the comments below. I think we got it all. So y'all give this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.